The number 29, the problem is find the list of customers who have used a coupon in their orders but that never rated any of their orders. And here's the SQL code. Select customer ID, concatenate the customer first name, customer last name as customer name from customers, inner join order on customer ID to order ID, inner join transaction on order ID to transaction order ID, inner join coupons on transaction ID to coupon ID, where transaction coupons ID is not null and see customer ID not in. We need to select distinct customer ID from ratings are Energen transactions on rating ID to transaction ID. The last thing we need to do is Energen orders on to transaction ID to order ID. And we need let me delete this first. And when we click go, wait,